here's how I made over $1,000 in just 1 week trading Solana meme coins. This isn't gonna be any bullshit guide or whatever. I'm gonna show you exactly how I turned just $100. As you can see, I'm a top trader. I'm the #1 top trader for this particular coin. And as you can see, I bought in basically a few seconds right after this coin was created, around 6K. And then I top blast sold it at around 40K-ish. And if I share my P&L real quick, mind the P&L card, you know, it is what it is. But as you can see, 426% profit. And I made 7.8 Solana in basically less than a minute and a half. And I made around $1.4 thousand. And here we have another one that I bought in. As you can see, I had information that most people don't have, because to get ahead, and if you actually want to make over $10,000 this month or this week with meme coins, you have basically nothing, then you need to know how to get a fucking edge. All right, the thing that most people don't want to admit is that meme coin trading is basically just a casino. It's gambling. It's pure gambling. And just like a casino has a house edge, where they have a few percent over the players, meaning in the long run they always win, I kind of replicated that strategy, so to speak. If we quickly go on the Axiom Pulse, we can see that basically a ton of coins are just migrating every couple of minutes. And when a coin migrates, that means it just goes from, for example, the pump.fun phase to the radium/pump swap phase, meaning it goes like 70K market cap-ish. But one thing, as you can see right here, is that most of these coins that migrate, they're already dead. They're dead within a few minutes. As you can see, 12K, 4K, 4K, 3K, 4K. You know, we got a ton of 4K, 3K ones. And this is because the people who are launching these coins, people who are making money trading these coins. For example, me, I bought into this coin, as you can see, right before nobody knew what this coin was. And then Andrew Tate bought in. If you actually get my tracker real quick, Andrew Tate actually bought into this coin right after me. As you can see, I had the insider info, and it's not showing. I'm not sure why, but if you go on one of my previous videos, you'll see that Andrew Tate actually did buy in. And right when he bought in, his copy traders bought in, and you know, I was holding a pretty nice chunk, and boom, it shot up, went to like 40K again, and I sold half, and then did it again and again, and just this entire chart was basically farmed by me and a few other insiders, but I'll get into that a bit later. And I made a nice chunk of change from this coin. So it's safe to say that I know what I'm doing. If you go on my previous videos, I show a ton of other trades that I made, which I made money on. And currently I'm 16 years old, living in this sick ass penthouse that I got myself. I'm paying my own rent, over $10,000 a month. And what I actually do to get info on these coins, to actually buy into them, is, well, two things. I have my own insider group, which is completely free. If you guys want to apply to that, link in the description. But the other way, the main way that I used to actually find insider info, for example, on this one coin called Shidet on my old wallet, let me just find, I think it's one of these. I'm not sure which one it is. I know it's a moonshot one, but this coin, it went to around $8 to $6 million in market cap. This one right here, Shidet. So this was launched on Moonshot, or quote unquote Moonit. Right now it's a 2.1 mil market cap, but it went to around 7.1 million in market cap. And I got in, and I covered this a ton of times on my channel as well. This was like half a year ago, though, almost at this point. I got in at around the $1.5 million market cap mark, and I made around $8,000 in profit with like, what, 2K basically. But this isn't even my biggest win. But how I actually found this coin is via insider info. I knew that the team who launched this coin, who launched, Shidet, that they launched coins previously, coins which stand really, really high in market cap. Now, this isn't a shill for Shidet, and this next part of the video isn't sponsored, but how I actually found this coin is on a site called nextcoin.quest. And nextcoin.quest is essentially a meme coin newsletter / launchpad where they email out picks and coins that they have insider information on when they're launching. The teams, the coins team is always doxed, the devs are doxed. So I'm going to type in my email, or I have it, selected out. I'm going to press yes. I'm ready to snipe meme coins. Once I press it, currently they don't have anything. As you can see, they're searching for coins. And these are coins, like, as I said, that they tend to have insider info on. They gave a pick on Shidet, and that coin did pretty well. and they'll send you an email out as well whenever there's a new pick. And when we have a coin that we actually found, it's gonna like show a menu on the site with all the information. But the amount of time that it usually takes for them to find a new coin can take anywhere from a week to a month, maximum like 3 weeks. And as I said, the teams that launch these coins, they're doxed. You know, if a dev wants to showcase their coin on nextcoin.quest, they have to be doxed. Yo, fast forward just a bit later. I know it's daytime right now. I'm kind of tired. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I haven't slept for over 24 hours because I've been working on, you know, something pretty big. That entire Israel Gaza stream. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, essentially, if we go on my Twitter real quick, if you just scroll down a bit, on around the 30th of July, I'm gonna be doing a week 24/7 stream. So while I'm sleeping, while I'm going outside, inside of Israel/Gaza, like in, you know, an active war zone. So I've been setting up a lot of stuff because I did the whole skid row thing, and that worked. That, you know, the results were good, but the issue was that I didn't have the proper equipment. So now I have the proper equipment, and, you know, we're gonna be going into a war zone basically to make a pump.fun live stream coin, right? Like all the streams that we have right now, because, you know, like the whole internet capital markets thing, all the streams that are on pump.fun right now, they're all just trashy. Like, for example, this guy just sitting on his ass, you know, maybe reading chat. Like, this isn't anything new, right? But if you go on my coin schedule right here, I didn't even promote this to the insider circle or anything. I just created this coin, went to 45k within just a few minutes. This was heavily bundled, right? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But what happened is when I was streaming midway, if you go on the stream archives right here, you can see I was doing I was doing an entire IRL stream in Skid Row, as you can see right here, and it was meant to be a 24-hour one. Those were my intentions, but if we skip a bit further, I had terrible equipment. As you can see, the entire stream is buffering. I was using an old MacBook, which is like 5 years old, and right here, as you can see, the stream connection is terrible. And then when I go into a store to buy water for the homeless people, the stream just completely disconnects because the laptop is bugging, the mic starts turning off, and as you can see, just screen goes black. And same here, I tried rebooting it, and then I made an announcement on the chat, like, you know, our equipment is fried, like the laptop just shut off completely. So I made a quick announcement, sell. Everybody sold, and I sold last. I didn't make any money off this, maybe like what, $50, $40. But this just shows the power, especially now with the whole pump.fun airdrop. So, but another thing, pump.fun, if you go on their pump.fun Twitter page, right? We go on latest. Also, I'll explain why I'm showing you all this in just a moment. But if we go on the pump.fun page, as you can see, you know, their conviction, their quote unquote high conviction play is live stream coins, live streaming. And they're trying to promote this, you know, they're giving out deals to people. I don't have a deal with them yet. Hopefully, pump.fun, if you're watching this video, sponsor me, give me a contract. So I'm going to be going to Israel for like 2 weeks. Going to stream every single day, doing insane stuff, going near Gaza, going near, you know, the West Bank. I don't involve myself in the politics. I don't know what's up with the politics. I don't really care too much, you know, as weird as that sounds. All I care about is making a big coin. So the reason I'm telling you this, so I have my own insider group for launching coins / you know, buying them, just insider stuff. Like we launch coins, we launch the coins them to 100k, 200k. If you go on Bundlebee real quick, we have a /start. You can apply on Bundlebee as well. But the link to apply for the insider circle, as you can see, there's a bunch of people in here, you know, networking, connecting. You know, we launch pretty much weekly. People make nice profits. But if you go on the bot, as you can see, Bundlebee insider circle, there's an apply now button, but successful coins. Once we click successful coins, here are 3 of our biggest successful coins that we quote unquote rugged or farmed. The first one is Cycle, which went to 8 million market cap. Now, Cycle was a bit different because we didn't launch it, but we knew the dev and we helped him get that initial volume, helped him with shilling, helped him with that. And us, the insiders, we slowly farmed the project. And then, you know, the dev of Cycle rugged. Then we have Rugcoin, which went to 800k market cap. This was made by us. We pumped it up. We started promoting it. We made a nice chunk of change. And then we have Floggy. This was about a month and a half ago. Went around 300k market cap. And as you can see on the chart, it shot up and then it slowly just started going down because we were slowly farming it. Because what most people don't realize is, rocking isn't really profitable because there's price impact. If there's only, let's say, 10k in the liquidity pool and you're holding technically 100k worth of tokens, then just 10% of your tokens will basically clear out the liquidity pool. Not exactly, but something like that. So the best way is to slowly farm. Having a cult, basically, sort of a brotherhood. And I know this sounds corny, but we all trust each other. We shill coins. We launch coins together. When we launch a coin, we hold it. We make sure we don't dump on each other. But why I'm telling you this is my insiders will be the first people to get access to the whole Israel streaming coin. And I've done many stream coins, Skid Row. We have Lives as well. This is one that I did over a year ago. I did so many live stream coins, so many, all of them sent pretty well. So I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm talking about. And nobody is gonna do it like I'm doing it. Nobody's doing it like I'm doing it. I've spent like 10k already on the flights to Israel. Spent another like 5k for equipment. Even the camera right now that I'm recording on, this is like $2,000. Right now I had to buy an additional like 5k for equipment, like modems, a better laptop so it doesn't overheat, a specific backpack with ventilation, cooling. So much stuff goes into this. So if you want to get in the insider circle, we don't charge anything. We will never charge you a dime. We might be closed sometimes. Right now we're open. We're only taking like 20 more people in, but we're going to close. But I'm going to leave the form link in the description down below if you want to apply. As you can see, just simple questions right here. We will not charge you. We will not charge you. You just have to, provide something. Either you shill or you promote the coin or you raid. You got to do something. We're not just going to take randoms on who have no idea how this entire thing works, right? So link in the description for that. But now, like I was saying, with trading meme coins, a lot of people, they want to make a quick 100k, right? Like just they're more. There's a reason why most traders on pump.fun are losing money and not making money, because they ape in a ton of Solana onto a coin and they want a 10x, they want a 20x, they're chasing that 100x, right? What people like Cupsy, and obviously Cupsy is, a way different tier, he has a bigger bankroll, but it still applies. But people like Cupsy, Orange, or those bigger traders, what they do is they make consistent profits. Not just, okay, sometimes they hit a 10x, 100x, but their priority is making consistent profits. Even if that means that we're going to sell out of a position earlier and, maybe an hour or two later, it 3x's. Because, nobody knows what's going to happen. But what you know is going to happen is if you have a coin and it 2x's already, but if you sell it, then you're going to make a nice 2x. And if you can just do that consistently over and over and over and over again, you're going to become very, very wealthy. Think about it. If you make $1,000 per day, right? It seems like a lot, but in reality, it's about what, 6 or 7 Solana. It's not that hard at all. Trust me. If you make that consistently, daily, in a month, you have made what, $30,000, something like that. In a year, you'd have made like 360k, more even. And let's not even say 1,000. Let's say you just make $500 a day. Consistently, you have to find a strategy, right? Like I'm showing you strategies. I'm going to show you one as well after this, but you got to get a strategy where you can consistently make money. And yeah, you might be thinking, yeah, no shit. Obviously, if it was that easy, then everybody would be doing it. And the thing is, not everybody is doing it. Most people, they're chasing that 10x, 100x, 500x. They're on TikTok looking at fucking Dega coin or whatever, DG coin. The stupid, the thing where they're like saying that Trump is going to make an announcement or whatever. They're all chasing that 10x and 100x. And I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. You should do that. But your main goal has to be consistent profits, consistent launches, either insider info or you have a certain strategy. For example, one strategy that I have, and this is maybe a little bit scummy, it depends on who you ask. But if we go down a bit on my Twitter, as you can see, I was in this one community group, launched by this guy, Lexagay. And he made a bunch of communities for Bitcoins, basically, for Bitcoins. And I saw like a bunch of KOLs were like, chatting in here. It was very active. So what I did is I started posting on here. Let me show you. I was bull posting about like 1.5 Solana, right? And I was like saying, insane holders aren't selling, etc., etc. This coin is already fucking dead. But besides the point. And I was like, should I pay for DEX? And hold on, paying for DEX right now. And what I did is I paid for Dex. And when I paid for Dex, right before I paid for Dex, I bought the 1.5 Solana worth because I knew it was gonna fucking like 2 free X. And what happened? I bought for Dex, I paid for Dex, and I said, chat, am I insane? I just paid for Dex, you know, getting engagement, very nice. And then once the whole community died down, what I did is, you know, I sold everything, you know, I was selling throughout, not like I just one clipped it. And, you know, a nice little post here on the next one. And a lot of people were very happy / upset. But that's the thing. I don't care if you're happy, if you're unhappy with what I do. And you shouldn't care about what other people think as well. If you make money from it, then it is what it is. This is just one big glorified casino. That's all it is. Literally, that is all it is, right? There's a reason me and my insiders keep making money over and over and over and over again, because we know what the fuck we're doing, because we don't have emotions. We don't care what some fucking brokey thinks, right? So consistent profits are very, very important. And you know, sign up for the pump.fun airdrop, sign up for the pump.fun pre-sale. There's a lot of FUD on Twitter about the whole pump.fun pre-sale. In my opinion, I think it's gonna be alright. It might go down when it launches, but it could go up. It's like, I'm obviously, you know, it can go up or down, but I feel it will probably go down a bit, then it'll go back up, because the way pump.fun is doing all this, you know, the whole streaming thing, just everything in general is pretty cool, and people recognize that. You know, there's obviously fudders on Twitter, but normal people recognize that. If you want to join my insider circle, the link in the description. As I said, we do not charge a dime, no money charged at all. Remember what I told you. Also, like, subscribe, comment down below your Solana wallet address, just for fun. You know, who knows, something might happen. And anyways, boys, I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you in the next one. I know it's daytime, but my sleep schedule is absolutely fucked. I woke up at like, what, 10 p.m.? And right now it's, what, 4:30 p.m.? So I've not slept for almost 24 hours. Anyways, whatever, you guys don't care about that. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.